Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 Opportunity radar for 16 July, post market report of 15 July. Today, Nifty closed by a marginal plus of 0.11%. Initially, in the first 15 minutes candle, there was a strong bullishness in Nifty, but from the second candle onwards, there was a sideways movement, and in the second half of the market, it fell down and took support at 24,000 level and closed marginally higher at 24,078.50 levels. Today, Bank Nifty is gaining, especially PSU banks, due to the hope of rate cut, because rate cut will boost the banking sector, and also there is a large cap banks result this week. So if the results are positive, combined with the hope for the rate cut, we can expect a marginal rally in the banking index and banking sector. Sensex have an expiry tomorrow. Expiry is expected to close in a narrow range of 77,000 to 77,200. We will see that in the max pain area. As per market mode, it is a cautiously bullish mode in the market, led by banks and lagged by IT today. Every day the sectors are rotating. One day IT is gaining, the next day it is lagging because there is a profit booking and there is no strong conviction in the market. Every day you can see a large group of stocks broadly is in a sell-off of 3 to 4% daily. So index is behaving differently, stocks are behaving differently in a broad way, as well as one sector is gaining first day and the next day itself there is a profit booking and it is selling off. So there is no clear strong conviction in the market yet, and Nifty is holding the 24,000 level and just traveling above and below 200 points above the 24,000 and below the 24,000 level. We have to see a decisive breakout. We have already told that 24,500 should cross decisively. The 500 to 600 level have two Fibonacci levels there as a resistance. It has to cross, then only we can consider Nifty is in a bullish territory. Till that, as well as till the August first week, I am expecting a bearish momentum only in the index as well as a broad market. So today's top gainers being auto ancillary, EV and energy themes, as well as in fintech, growth showed a significant rise, and also Nuvoco gained 10.50% today. Yesterday itself we have covered Nuvoco having an unusual volume. Today also there is an unusual volume. So Nuvoco we can keep it for further analysis. The stocks which dropped, two stocks stood significantly. Patanjali dropped 14.64% and Tata Elxsi declined nearly 5%. The weak sectors being IT, metal, FMCG and realty sectors. So winning sectors are PSU banks, chemicals, energy and pharma. As I said already, there is a strong sector rotation even every day. One day one sector is gaining, another day another sector is gaining. So there is no consistent rally in single sectors till now. As per options open interest, we can see strong support for Nifty at 24,000 level and resistance at 24,200. We have told it has to cross 24,600. We have to watch these levels. As well as Bank Nifty is also in a narrow range of 58,000 range, and PCR also showing a mild bullishness in the indices. As well as there is a Sensex expiry tomorrow. As per max pain, we expect the Sensex to expire near 77 to 77,200 levels. So Nifty's critical support zone is at 23,825 and resistance is at 24,325, and the mid zone is at 24,000. It is hovering around this 24,000 level. Stocks to monitor for tomorrow. The stocks shown here is not recommendation, those are illustration only. So don't take it as a buy sell recommendation. Keep these stocks in your watch list. Do your due diligence of fundamental and technical analysis and take decision based on your own discretion. These stocks are having price momentum, volume momentum as well as fundamental momentum. Keep watching the 25,600 levels for upside move as well as date wise August first week. Wait until August first week or till August 10th to see a recessive bullish or bearish movement in the market. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.